In the previous session, we conducted a very interactive classroom activity to communicate to the students as to how we can find the total number of units of something by multiplying the number of rows and columns in which they are arranged. That was a part of our zero investment innovative idea of concept explanation. We will now move on and use the same technique to explain the remaining concepts that are scheduled for this session. In this next phase of the period, we will initiate a graph drawing activity to discuss the number of hours students spend in school on each day of the week. Tell me, how many days are there in a week? Student will start responding. We will take this opportunity to note down each day of the week on the board in a row. Now, can you tell me how many hours do you spend on each day in school? As students count and respond, we will put one circle for each hour spent in school above the respective day. For example, if the student spent 6 hours on Monday, put 6 vertically arranged circles above Monday. Sunday will have 0 circles. When the counting and the drawing of the circles is over, inform the students that the drawing on the board is called a graph and the vertical group of circle is called a bar. Emphasize to them that the bar shows the number of hours you spend on each day in school. That's it for the period. We will now conclude the sessions by informing students of the objectives that we achieved through the period. So students, in this session, we learned how to make groupings of various objects by dividing them into rows and columns. We also learned how to use graphs to list data. So that's it for now. When we meet the next time, we will use these methods to play a fun counting game. Ending the lesson in this manner will attract students to the next session. So, in this way, with the help of the zero investment innovative idea of concept explanation, we develop the concept within the minds of the children. So, that's it for now, educators. See you now in the next session.